Hey everybody, J&A Reviews, and today we are here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. That's right folks, we are the channel with the golden plunger. Stick around and see if this one gets it. Today we're going to be looking at a 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX, model number 265MWS. So let's get started. The length on this Jayco is 30 feet. The dry weight is 5,765 with a hitch weight of 585 with a GVWR of 7,700 pounds.
So guys, if you are looking for a great couples camper that is half-ton towable, this is it. Definitely come check this one out. We're going to start up here right at the front to show you do have a power tongue jack. Of course, your propane is going to go under that cover there. And like always, batteries will mount right behind it. Here on one side of your pass-through storage. Very nice. Has a light and everything.
Ooh, inverter prep too.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Now this one is going to have manual stabilizers on it. This is the SLX version, which is a little more budget friendly.
And also this one is the kind of the smooth side.
Yes, it is. You are going to have a rack and pinion slide right here. Let's see, where's the dump area? Should be at the back, I think. Let's check it out. Yes, right down there. Very easy to get to.
And this is a 50 amp camper, so we've got 2 AC units on this one.
Yes. You see that you do have a spare here, and it is prepped for the Lippert ladder and also prepped for a backup camera. You're going to have an outside shower right there at the back.
And this time your black paint flush is at the very back.
At the back.
Huh.
I don't know that we've ever seen one completely at the back. That's interesting. All right, awning is
18
feet.
Now we have not opened this yet.
No, so
Hey, cool.
all right, so yeah, they give you a mini fridge out here and a drawer for storage.
Yeah, a little blue light up in here.
Very, very nice. Going to bet, there it is, right on the corner is your propane quick connect.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. All right, let's check out the other side of this pass-through storage. So there you go.
Oh,
Yes, and that
that's
the
cool.
switch.
That turns on the little,
Yeah, for your
the little blue light under
strip
here.
right there on the front.
Awesome.
Right. So let's go right on inside and take a look.
Ooh, cool.
Take a little look on here.
Now I think this is a little something new for the SLX
For the
series.
SLX,
Yes.
So,
I love this big window.
yes, we'll just start right there. You have that huge window over your sink. They are going to give you a split sink in this particular unit. You got a pull down faucet.
Oh wow.
Drawers, place for sponges and scrubbies and things like that. This is going to have heating in the floor. Space under the sink. Of course, you do have your microwave, a 3-burner cooktop, oven. Your fuses are going to be down below that.
I like that, and it's tucked away behind a.
Yeah, out of sight. 12-volt compressor fridge.
And a little something here at the bottom.
And a little storage. Not a whole lot of storage, but there's a little there. Backing up, we're going to show you the slide. So this is going to give you a booth-style dinette that, of course, will make into some additional sleeping if you need it. Looks like you're going to have storage underneath it.
Yes. Both sides.
Yes, on both sides. I thought there might be a plug-in under there, but I don't see one, but there is one right over there.
Right there, yeah.
Nice big
And
windows, pleated shades. Lots of light in here. Have a USB with a C charger right there.
boy, that light just coming in is...
It's bright today. It's
bright.
nice to see sun though. You are going to have theater seating right here with some storage for your remotes or snacks.
Better than that 25 that I got you out in
Yes.
that last video.
We actually recorded last weekend, so I don't know when this one will come out, but last weekend it was 25. Today it's almost 50, so yay! All right.
Hey, let's get right here.
Yeah, so just as you come in the door, you've got all this great storage, which it's going to have to work as your kind of your pantry, but hang on, you're going to see some more storage.
And you've got all your switches, and I think that's an outside light, your tank monitors, slide out, awning, and your radio.
And a radio. But
Oh,
right
wow.
back here, you have even more. Love this hidden storage that just, I mean, it's floor to ceiling. It's great. And then on the other side of this door is your electric fireplace, and your TV is going to mount up here. And it looks like you could easily get a 40 inch.
40 inch, yeah.
Yeah, maybe just a little bigger, but yeah, great spot there for it. While we're pointed in this direction, let's just go on to the front, and then we'll come to the back.
All right.
Of course, the bedroom is going to be up here in the front. You've got it hanging over here. There's a nice big open storage across the top, and then the other side is going to have shelves that I'm pretty sure can be removed if they need to be. Underneath that, you have got electric on both sides. These boxes, that is actually your pass-through storage, is going to work as nightstands. And then I'm going to hand this to him so he can show you this
The
awesome little closet.
Closet over here, yeah. Got the little hanging bar here at the top, and then down below you've got these shelves. Just drop on down there. Yeah, that's pretty sharp.
Alright, and I'm pretty sure that this is a regular queen bed. That's what it looks like. You got storage underneath it.
Well, let's see what we
We
got
did
here.
point out on the outside that this is 50 amps, so yes, you do have 2 ACs in this one.
Nope.
Oh no, is it going to be a queen, camp queen?
Yep.
Well, yeah, and
Yep.
to be honest, you're not going to have enough room to put a standard queen. If you do, you'll have to crawl in.
Yeah.
Yeah, because your heating's down there in the floor, so
You are prepped for solar
solar.
already.
Yes, and if you want to add a TV in the bedroom, it'll go right up here above this window.
Wow.
But hey, if you're short like me, you'll have no problem with this bed. All right, let's turn you guys around. I did not point out the first AC, but it's right up there. Now we are going to head to the back of the camper and
Oh.
show you the bathroom. So yeah,
Hey.
for those who like a rear bath, this is actually a pretty nice size bathroom back here. You have a mirrored medicine cabinet, lots and lots of counter space.
And they didn't try to cram another
sink in it,
so they
yeah.
left you a lot of counter
So, yeah, you've
space.
got a lot of space here. Your tissue holder's already in. You've got open storage right there. Now, no storage underneath your sink because remember this was your little outside. Kitchen area. Yeah.
Plastic toilet.
Yeah. But you do have
You have a lot of room though.
got a lot of leg space in front of it.
Shower. Looks like it's a 36. Oh, wow. This is
It's a big shower.
36 by 40.
Yeah, so it's a
Wow.
It's a big shower. Now, unfortunately, there's a lot of antifreeze and stuff in it, so we're not going to stand in it. But it actually is very tall, and there is a skylight, so 6 foot, 6'1", 6'2",
Oh, yeah.
you shouldn't have any issues. You are going to have a space over here for your linen. There's no doors on it, so it's all open storage. But a great place where you can roll your towels up. No, we're not going to give this one the plunger. Size-wise, it actually would have gotten
nice.
it. But it does have a plastic toilet, so that is one of our that's one of our qualifications for the golden plunger. But guys,
this shower
big
is
shower.
huge.
Yeah, I really want to clean that. But yeah, awesome size shower. Okay.
Oh wow. All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco SLX model, sort of a new floor plan for the Jayco SLX, come over here to Great American and check these out. And I'm pretty sure they sell them at every location. All right, everybody, if you like this one, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.